This is how most Turkish people see their state-run railway service. Slow journeys, diesel trains dating back to the 1970s. The government failed to invest in rail, and most Turks shunned it. Fewer than 3% of journeys are made on the railways now. But travelling habits could be about to change, because it's into the sidings with the old and out on the tracks with the new. This is the high travels at 250 kilometers an hour and has an airport-style flagship of a 10-year, $10 billion upgrade the rail network.
Şimdi tabii 1950'lerden bugüne
We've introduced high-speed trains in the past decade, and now we're one of 6 leading countries in the world for high-speed networks. By 2023, we should have 10,000 kilometers of high-speed line. This is something to be proud of. The government also has very ambitious targets for Turkish businesses to increase the value of their exports to $500 billion worth a year. Rail links with ports are vital for this, so we'll increase the track for freight from 12,000 kilometers to 26,000 kilometers.
Over the next 10 years, to sink $15 billion more, insisting that half of all the work involved goes to Turkish firms, boosting the business of engineering company Gumazla, which has a contract to make speed train carriages.
It's helping the companies to cooperate with the local companies and make new investments. So it will create jobs, it will create new jobs. Within the next 5 years, we plan to employ 600 people for public transportation.
Political leaders have been keen to be associated with the sleek new railway services they've invested in, but their plans go further than simply giving voters a faster ride. A bill is currently going through Parliament to allow private companies to operate train services.
We are really excited about this opportunity. The companies about transportation of people on the road, on the highways, are planning to buy licenses and planning to buy private trains. They would like to rent the line and try to be operator of the big passengers. The modernizing will be revolution in Turkish railways, and that will be profitable area next 10 years.
But can all that investment from the government produce a railway network which pays its way? Right now, the state railway company receives a little over $1 billion a year in ticket sales, but has to receive over twice that much from the government to make up for its operating losses. How can the private sector be confident that losses on this turned into profits?
Turkish railways will be successful because that is brand new system in Turkey, and people like train and people would like to use train. That's why it would be successful, because in Europe train transportation is popular last 100 years. This is brand new in Turkey, and everybody would like to use train, and that would be...
Turkey's government calculates that private operators will be able to make profits if they manage a 5-fold rise in passengers. High-speed trains are their big selling point, but after years of avoiding a service, shoddy and infrequent, Turkish people may need some persuading before they take to the rails in droves.